Hello, hello. Welcome to Revelana. So this is the first thing you need to do in order to get your system set up. So you want to go to Revelana.com, go to the website, Revelana.com, and log in. Once you get in, it's going to likely land you at this navigation. So you're likely going to see a dashboard, an empty dashboard. This is just the Revelana template account. And then you're also going to want to hit settings down here at the bottom left and then go over to business profile. So in business profile, one thing you want to do is upload your logo. So make sure you have an absolutely beautiful logo. If you don't have a logo, you definitely go to Revelana.com and then /services, or just click on services, and you'll see that we have branding services that are super inexpensive, is incredible. Everything you get for it is incredible. Plus you get a mentor session with it, and it helps you figure out quite a lot. But then we make a beautiful brand for you. So if you have, you just click the change, upload your logo, preferably square in there, and then also you want to fill in your friendly business name. That means the business name everyone in the world knows you as. So sometimes your legal business name is a little different, and you might be functioning under a DBA, doing business as, or it's slightly different. So just put your business name everyone knows about you. If you have a legal business name that's slightly different, put that one in here. This information here is going to come in handy when we're doing texting and when we're using email systems and everything like that, mainly texting, just to verify your identity. It wants to make sure you're a real company and you're not a spammer. So just definitely what you want to do is also in your business email, if you're using a free email account like Yahoo or at Gmail, whatever it might be, get rid of it, or use it personally. But if you go to the Google Workspace and set up a Workspace account. Again, you can go to our services and we can help you set up your Google Workspace account, get the domains connected, everything else. It's a little bit technical. Let's get your Google Workspace. That allows you to have your name at yourbusinessname.com instead of Gmail at Gmail or Hotmail or whatever. That's just crappy for business. You don't really want to run business on a free email account. Plus, the free email accounts do limit what you can send a day, and then it'll just stop and not allow you to send anymore. So if you have your email being used even to make appointment confirmations, whatever it is, there's limits to it. So stop using it for your business and start using Google Workspace for your business. And we have directions on our website of how to there's a click right to setting up Google Workspace. Then your business phone. Let's say you're running your business out from your cell phone, then that's what you put here. If you do have a main business line, put that here. And then if you have a website, then go ahead and put that web address in the business website. If you don't, also go back to our business services and we can set you up with a website, figure out a company name for you, and then even build you a beautiful WordPress website, etc. So just fill that in, or just go back to that services and let us help you with that. Or the way we charge is just ridiculously inexpensive, and you get top-notch professional. We've all built businesses to like tens of millions. So you're getting top-notch talent involved. And then your niche, you just want to pick health and medical, if it's not picked already. And then you don't have to worry about that, but you want to always definitely make these green buttons your best friend. Make sure you press save after you get information updated in here, okay? And then your business type, you want to choose, you're probably an LLC, you might be a partnership, but whatever, don't worry about it if you don't have your company set up yet. We can help you with that as well. So your business industry, again, it's very likely if you're working with us that you're in healthcare. So let's do that. And I'm going to even default this. This is the template account. I'm going to default that. And then your business registration type, like in our case, we have an LLC, we have an EIN, we have an employer identification number. So we click that. we put it in. It has our state code 86 and then dash and then some numbers. If you're not registered, whatever, I think you just click on other in here. You can always put your social security number in there if you want, but it's not required. This all just helps with your SMS, your texting. When we get into marketing, when you get into using your SMS to confirm appointments and all that, you want to keep it safe. And that's what this information does. Also, make sure this is checked. It should be, but make sure it's checked. After you enter everything, press the save button. Under call and voicemail settings, don't worry about anything. This should be on 0 timeout. You can listen to this warm outbound message. If you like it, you keep it. If not, you can record your own MP3 and upload it there. It's not super important because your messages are ultimately going to go into your own voicemail system on your cell phone or on your business phone. Unless you don't have one, then you'll be using ours. So you can update this. You can upload your own MP3 if you don't like this one, but it should apply. And then you just press save again. And then you get over here and you want to put in, let's say you have multiple locations. These little eyes, if you hover over them, it tells you, it gives you a little hint of what should be in there. But you want to make sure that in this case, it should be the same address information that corresponds to your legal business. So back to this legal business name, whatever address is there, you want to make sure that that matches this right here. And then you absolutely want to set your time zone. This time zone, if you're using the social scheduler that's built into Revelana, if you're timing if you're scheduling campaigns, email campaigns, text campaigns ahead of time, it's going to, when you choose the time, it's going to choose your time zone. So make sure that that is set to your time zone. This should be set to English already. And then once you update, press the save button. And then this authorized representative, this should be the person that's making changes to your account. If something, let's say you want to add Yext to your account. Then when you choose Yext, it's going to charge you, a small amount every month. We want to make sure that that person who's in charge of those kinds of changes are listed here along with their phone number and their email address. And if something's up with the account, we just want to know who to contact about more financial information, the credit card information, whatever it is. Then you go down here. You want to make sure just these 2 check boxes are checked. You don't want anything else. Don't worry about it. We have you all covered in other areas of the system. And then don't worry about this. If this is checked, uncheck it, because again, we have automations and stuff already filled in. So then you want to press all those save buttons, and then you want to go over here. You're going to see get a phone number to start texting and calling. You want to go to resolve. So when you hit resolve, one thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to just click on add a number. There's a lot of green things here, but just click add a number. And then you're in the United States. I'm just going to pick, I'm going to pick a 203 area code. That's Connecticut, but you want to pick your area code, press search, and you'll see that a bunch of numbers come up, right? So you want to just go through and know that these numbers, for the most part, these are ones like this one's not bad, 601, 6906. Once you click it and you save it, it's yours, right? And it's $1.15. This is ridiculously inexpensive for an entire phone system. This system does a huge amount. It's a phone and text system. And this forwards to your current phone number, whatever that current business phone you're using is, this forwards to it. And this is the number that we're going to be using in marketing campaigns, etc. Plus, it's extraordinarily robust. If you don't see any numbers that you like, you can close this and you can start over again. You just add a number, put in 203, and then other numbers, new numbers are going to come up. So you can always try it again and see if you see numbers that are better in the list than the ones you were just fed. And you can keep doing that over and over and over until you find a number that you like. So once you get your number, don't worry about it. We'll take it from there. But it is there'll be another video on what to do with your number once you have it. Okay, hope you appreciate the video, and we look forward to keeping your momentum flowing. Enjoy, and we'll talk to you soon. in the next video.